Hello my ABT students. Last time you did a label. This time you're going to do a directory, okay? Because each one in Word is handled in a different way. Alright, so we're going to create a directory using the database called 104 Pete's Data. Alright, so first of all we need to type in, make sure you've got no spacing turned on. Remember I forgot to do that the last time. Alright, and now put in name. And you're going to set a tab, I don't know, I'm going to guess at about 0.9 is good. Okay, so put a tab at 0.9 and then press your tab key. And now we want it says use the complete name codes as well as their title code. Alright, so therefore we're going to go to mailings. Before we're going further, start mail merge and go to your step-by-step wizard. This time you want a directory. Make sure you've got a directory. Next. Okay, we're going to use the current document. Yes. Next, select. Now we're going to select the data files. So we want to go to Browse. And we want to go to your U drive. Okay, and it should be in your mail merge folder. And let me see if I've got in mine, which is data. Okay, I'm going to put in here Pete. No, I haven't got in mine. I know I've got it in this one, so I'll go to my classes drive. You'll have yours in your U drive. Alright, I'll go to mine here, and I got 104 Pete's Data, and open. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is go to last name, put in alphabetical order, and say OK. Alright, so we were supposed to use the complete name codes as well as their title code. So let's go to Insert Merge Field, and we want to choose Title, spacebar, and then we want to go to Insert Merge Field, First Name, spacebar, and then we want to go to Last Name and have the three things there. Alright, and then press Enter. I left it on normal spacing. I want to put it back to no spacing. So I'm going to go to home here, put on no spacing. Alright, the next one is email. Okay, so we're going to type in the words email. Alright, press your tab key again, and we want the email code, so you're going to go to mailings and insert merge field and choose the one for email. Press enter, and then we want interest and press tab. And we want to go to insert merge field and we want to choose the interest code. Alright, press enter twice. Now highlight these three lines, okay, and we've got to change the tab there. It's too tight, so let's bring it over. Okay, about 0.9 I think will work. Yeah, it'll work. So make sure you've got your tab at 0.9. Okay, and remember when you do a directory you always have to leave these two blank paragraph symbols, so don't forget that. Alright, so now we want to save this, so go Control S to save, and I want to save it in your mail merge folder in your U drive. So this is going to be your first name and the current date for you, and we're going to call this one Pete's directory form. Okay, so Pete's directory form. Alright, Pete's directory form. Save it. And that's all we have to do. We don't need anything more in the directory. Now, the next step, we want to go to next, and we want to go to next. So we're on step number 5, and we want to say edit the recipient list. Edit the recipient list, because it asked us to pick out only the people who are interested in diving. Now there's a real simple way to do this. I know you could go to sort and filter and all those things, but you don't need to. All we want to do is find the interest field. So I'm sizing this up so that I can put the interest field out front here for you. And so now watch. All I have to do is click on this black arrow. I click on the drop down and I say show me all the fishing people. So there's all the fishing people. Now do you see it's gray? You can tell it's got a criteria on it. Now watch. I'm going to say show all. So they're all back again. This time I'm going to say show all the diving people. and there's the diving people, and that's what it asked us for. Show all the diving people. So that's good. It's in alphabetical order. We got all the diving people. That's what we want. Say OK. And now we want to complete the merge, and we want to merge to a new document. Say OK. And now do you see why you left the 2 blank paragraph symbols in between? So that you can read every one of your divers. Now it asks us to add the following heading. You wouldn't put it on your own document, and I'll show you that in a minute. But go Control Home here and press Enter once. And now you are going to type in Pelican Peters Dive Shop. So Pelican Peters Dive Shop. Okay, press Enter, and then the address is 2200 Gulf Shore Boulevard. Okay, Gulf Shore, make sure it's Gulf, G-U-L-F, Shore Boulevard North. Okay, press Enter and put in Naples, comma, FL for Florida, and then put in the number 34102, 34102. All right, press Enter a couple times. Now, the heading, this is to be a heading, so let's center it. Let's size it up a bit. Let's put some bold on it, and maybe some italics. And then let's put the color on this one. So, whatever color, I guess blue or green. And shop, Shift F3. Okay, that's all we need there. All right, save this one now. Go Control S to save. And this is going to be directory form, and we are going to call it merged. Okay, this is the merged. All right, save it. Now, I'm going to copy this and show you what would have happened if you had done it the other way. Okay, so we're going to go back now, and we're going to go back to this is your original, and let's go back to step 4 just so that you can see. And there's all our field codes. I'm going to press Enter a couple times here, and I'm going to go Control V. Okay, so now this is what you thought you should have done. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go to Preview, complete the merge, merge to a new document, and what happened? The title repeated on every record. That's not what you wanted. Okay, so if you do a directory, you only do the heading on the merged part. So I'm going to close this one out, not save it. We don't want that. And now I also want to take out all of this, delete it, and there's my document. I'm going to go Control S to save back to the way it should be. So that's how easy it is to do the directory. All right, so we'll stop there.